So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest with us. His name is Selvamani, and Selvamani was suffering from, he's 48 and ALK positive fourth stage lung cancer. And here is a small message that he has written to us, and then we'll bring him to the hotspot to speak. Hi, I'm Selvamani, 48, ALK positive fourth stage lung cancer. It is very rare cancer. Mostly it comes to people having very good food habits and lifestyle. Primarily nodes in both lungs, throat region, and tumor in brain. First, I had done biopsy, and then second, he has gone to the radiotherapies, right, in brain tumor, and took tablet for chemotherapy more than 4 years. The doctor said you have to be on medication and chemotherapy for lifetime, and the average lifetime for a person who has 4-stage ALK positive lung cancer is 5-6 years. Here he is in front of you, no radiations, no more biopsy, no more medication. And if you see his education qualification, he is MA, MPhil, MLIS, PG, DCA, CLL, and Certificate of Library Leadership. And the angel coach who has done this magic is Sulagna in front of you, and the person is V. Selvamani. So Selvamani, I'll come directly to you, right? This is one of the very amazing case study that Go Nature has took. We were a little not scared, but we knew in our heart that yes, we can do that. But we were doubtful if the person will believe us or not. But you believe 200% in us. So over to you, if you can throw some light on how was your journey was. 4th stage ALK positive lung cancer, 4th stage. Just imagine. मैं किसी को बोलूँगा ना डॉक्टर भाई बाहर चल तू बाहर कैसे ठीक कर सकता है? Impossible. So here is the person in front of you. If you can please unmute yourself, Selvamani, and just share your experience, and then I'll come to Coach Sulagna. So how has been your journey?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone, for this wonderful time. If live in front of this camera means it is magic. It is wonder for supported our nutrition health coach Sulagna Sujit Ras ji is supported very wonderful things. So before I talk about that these things, my journey is very hard because actually I am the physical person. I have karate, slambam, and yoga also learning. So very much interest. I love my physical activities. So what happened? I don't know. In the time of 2000, time of Corona, very shocking because ALK positive lung cancer. Newly I know about this type of cancer. So I know before I don't know. Just I know about cancer. General name only I know. But here about myself, I am also good habit person. Good food habit, lifestyle. Everything is there good. So what I'm wondering, so I'm the good person, good habits, good health. How it is came? I'm also very surprised. So first I'm not afraid. So myself I get confident. So I can come out from that hill. So what I'm thinking, so I first time no, I don't know because that Corona time where to go, who is the right person, how to consult, anything I don't know. So that time I went to all of the treatment. I started 2000. First I started in the biopsy. I took biopsy. After that I done in the radiation therapy for brain tumor in right lobe. After that I started target therapy like chemo tablets. So what happened? Lots of side effects, immense side effects. I don't feel these kinds of side effects never before. First time I realized why, because I am the physical person. I didn't take any kinds of tablet also. First time I took tablet for my treatment, these kinds of tablets. So ulcer came, nausea came, vomiting, and depression, more depression. So everything happened. So what I do, I should know. What I want to know, I don't know. So doctor saying that you should follow this tablet lifelong till what? Sir, I'm asking that allopathy doctor. So what is my life expectancy? He didn't know. He said that no, it is very short time. I don't know, but it is a very short time. He told that. So I am the fourth stage of lung cancer. So ALK, a different type of. So that time also searching in the Google, lots different types of cancer. So I am also very wondering how many type of cancer like idli, dosa, vada. So different types of food also. So these kinds of cancer also there. So I am also very upset. So after that, searching for it is not solution for me. So it is not right treatment for me. So I want to go for right things to get correct treatment. So searching everywhere. So I am also a very God believer. So that time, so definitely I believe that God give any chance to get anything. That time I search in the Google and our network. No, that time I God grace our Vishal Jain. After that, fully I saw that on the webinar. So wondering really, not only for your what is it, good things. You are explaining very simple and very excellent manner. Grace and surprising his ability and teaching everything is. So what I'm thinking now, immediately I joined gold member in our Go Nature program. So I very much interest and also like that. So 3 months saw everything told that in the teaching program 3 days 4 days that time of program no. He given everything simple manner. So immediately I follow with the support of our nutrition wellness coach. He is giving very kind as a mother. He is also my sister. Vishal Jain also my brother. So always I put in message Vishal Jain in that time of class. Vishal Jain brother only I put in the message. So I thinking. So I very much affectionate for my brother. So like that. So Vishal Jain also sir introduced me about my element everything now. So what I'm saying now, the food changes myself, everything because ulcer also gone, my ailment also very quickly. You see our viewers, our friends, you see my face also very glamour, shining like Vishal Saini. Yeah, why? Because it is happening. The food things, schedules, everything. So I'm also very happy and very healthy. So now present very active working. In the before allopathy, no, I couldn't do very less. I'm also very feeling sad. Everything is there. Now, no, very happy. I am very like that, very happy also.
Here is the latest reports everybody can see.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Complete regression of metastatic left lung nodules noted. Near complete regression of mediastinal nodes. Complete regression of left sidal pleural effusion. No interval changes noted in the metastatic brain lesion. No evidence of metabolically active disease elsewhere. Right. So we usually say not to go with any sort of biopsy or test. But okay, we said okay, you can go with test, and it is like now proven. In the YouTube channel in the bottom, we'll put all the entire before and after reports also, so that anybody can take more confidence from Selvamani's case. So Selvamani, life is long. It's not 6 years, 8 years. Live 100 years. Disease free. Thank you so much for coming up and showing this.
Thank you.
Message.
One more. I should add. Actually, every viewers, you don't fear about any kind of disease because our Go Nature and naturopathy is there and support a very strong, wonderful diet plan. So it is very wonderful. No? So it is, sir, I am very hot-minded. Openly say that. So it is the diet plans was excellent. So I am also amazing. What the diet plan? What the everything? Kidney detox, liver detox, and cell and bone detox. So everything compiled with that nutrition plan. So I am also first time learning and everything. I miss every class and every our training program. No, I don't miss it. All program repeated. Whatever the time, no, immediately I join it. So in the office time also, while time, definitely I join. Why? Because I love my brother Vishal Jain. I take care of my mother, my sister Sulangna, Sujitra also. So thank you guys for your wonderful memories. If I'm lively I speak, I'm not any kind of person. Everyone saw that in my report also. So it is thank you so much for Vishal Jain brother, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Everybody, please type MPTY for V Selvamani. Let me quickly come to the angel coach, Sulagna. Sulagna, over to you. How was the journey with Selvamani, and how has been the journey, from cancer patient to non-cancerous, and the reports are the evidence, the person is the evidence. So how has been your journey?
Yeah, Vishal. So hi everyone. Very good evening. I feel so happy about Selvamani, and I'm really feeling so great to be a part of this team where whenever you need any support, any help, we get that. And coming back to Selvamani, I have noted few things. Like when I had one-on-one with him, he had upper left lungs, the tumor was like 17 into 10 mm. Right lungs had 3 mm tumor, and it was in May 2020. So brain has 12 into 8 mm, which got detected in May 2020. And then it again increased to 20 into 17 mm. And then he started with the target therapy and chemotherapy. Also so he went through, last PET scan was done in January 2023. Yeah. So he was having a very rare fourth stage lungs cancer, which is like ALK lungs cancer, which is very rare, and it happens to only people who are having very good food habits and lifestyle. So ALK is the aplastic lymphoma kinase. Lungs cancer has different categories. This is a very rare type of lungs cancer category. So the thing is, even I was also surprised, like whether I'll be able to treat Selva or not. But in Go Nature, we are really trained well to handle any kind of diseases and any kind of situations, and we are a strong force of team which target any kind of diseases. We have healed many cancer patients before. Coming back to Selvamani, he is so dedicated and he is so determined that even I salute him that instead of 100% he followed 1000%, and the result is in front of you guys. He surprised me actually, and sometimes it happens I becomes really strict on him, and I'm really sorry, Selva, I'm saying this in front of everyone. So if I have told him to taper 50%, he will not listen. I became so strict and I told him that see, if you will not follow this, then I'm not responsible for if anything happens in future. Then after that he used to follow like 100%, and I'm really happy. And what else I can say, in Go Nature everyone can have their career, they can see their career growing. I also joined Go Nature and I was also a patient, Vishal's patient, and I healed my disease. Now I'm a coach. Selvamani, when I had one-to-one onboarding call with him, his family is so loving, so caring. He introduced me with his beautiful wife, and he has his son and daughter. I mean, I felt like I am so close to the family. He introduced me with his wife. They are very loving and caring. Really happy I got such a patient, and I got the opportunity to heal him. And he is also a martial arts karate master. He has very good interest in cooking, and he's also he knows yoga. He knows he's a dance master also. He teaches in the colleges, right? You do the choreography of the dance, annual dance functions and all. Yeah, so he's multi-talented. He also does a lot of research from his end. Actually, one thing I would like to say here, that is not only the patient's dedication, it is like mutual effort. The coach will give equal effort and the patient should also give equal effort. Then only we can defeat the disease, right? It's not like one like there are many patients, I mean many clients are there who are not giving much efforts. You ask them to do this, do that, they will not listen. But if you follow 100%, if you follow this approach, like my guidance with Vishal's guidance, we can heal anything. And initially I was not very sure that I'll be able to heal him or not, but I was very confident. And then Selvamani came and he also followed the diet 100%, and he made our journey easy. And now you can see Selvamani in front of all of us. And Selvamani, we wish you all the very best in your future endeavors, and you live 150 years more and be the example to the entire world. So thank you so much for
Yes.
300 years.
So everybody, please type MPTY. What a story. Slugna, 3 years back, she was a patient, and today she's a qualified nutritionist helping people to come out of their lifestyle diseases. What can be better than this, right? So congratulations, Selvamani. Congratulations, Slugna, for this achievement. Long way to go. And this is just the beginning. Everybody, please type MPTY. Thank you so much.